Good night, teacher Julian. My name is ingledw. I am going to present the next activity called What would have happened if? My negative anecdote what is my previous words in the 2010. I had an argument with my boss and I had to hit on my hub. If I had not argued with my boss, I would have maintained my hub. It had have given up. I would have a pronounced. The argument with my boss was about difference of opinion, and we did not arrive at a solution. That I was disappointed with my boss started at regional. If I had given up, I would have been friend of my boss. This parasite generated a lot of change in my life. Because I had no hope, I had a friend, I have no girlfriend, I have no dreams. I regret not being tolerant of situation. If I had been tolerant, we could have resolved the difference. I correct words in another company, and I am very happy because I can study and at watch at motorcycle. Thank you, teacher.